going to explain question number 5. Here once you observe the question over here, 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y is equal to minus 1. 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y is equal to 10. These two are given two linear equations. These two linear equations, what we have to do? First we have to reduce, then find the values of x and y. Now I am going to start the solution over here only. So all of you observe over here. To start here only, solution, this is given part. So after taking given part, this one only I am going to take equation number 1. This one only I am going to take equation number 2. After taking equation number 2, what we have to do? Now to find x is equal to question mark and y is equal to question mark. Here x is not equal to 0 and y is not equal to 0. Now what I am going to do is rewrite the equations. Rewrite equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 1 and equation number 2 I am going to rewrite. So what we have to do over here? 5 into 1 by x plus y minus 2 into 1 by x minus y is equal to minus 1. This one I am going to take equation number 1 here, I am going to take over here, and one more, 15 into 1 by x plus y plus 7 into 1 by x minus y is equal to 10. This one I am going to take equation number 2a. After taking this one, when we are observing equation number 1a and 2a, both are having 1 by x plus y, 1 by x plus y, both are same. 1 by x minus y, 1 by x minus y, both are same. So instead of 1 by x plus y, I am going to take the value a. Instead of 1 by x minus y, I am going to take the value b. Now you observe once here, let 1 by x plus y is equal to a and 1 by x minus y is equal to b. These two values I am going to substitute in equation number 1a and 2a. Substitute 1 by x plus y is equal to a and 1 by x minus y is equal to b in equation number 1a and equation number 2a. So once you observe 5, instead of this one what I am writing? A minus 2, instead of this one what I am writing? B. 5a minus 2b is equal to minus 1. This one I am going to take equation number 3. Next 15, instead of 1 by x plus y, I am going to take a plus 7 into 1 by x minus y means I am going to take b is equal to 10. This is equation number 4. After writing equation number 3 and 4, what we have to do? We have to find the values of a and b. Now you observe how can we find over here? Here when we are observing, the variable b is having one plus symbol and one minus symbol. That's why what I am going to do, I am going to equalize the coefficients of b. How can we equate that coefficients? By doing LCM. Now you observe LCM of 2 and 7 is 14. LCM of 2 and 7 is 14. Why did I write directly? Because both 2 and 7 are prime numbers. So whatever prime numbers we multiply, that only LCM. So 14. What should we multiply with 2 for getting 14? So we have to multiply 7. 7 into equation number 3 plus, why I am adding plus? Here 1 plus 1 minus symbol is there, that's why I am adding. And what should we multiply with 7? We can get 14. So 2 we have to multiply. So 2 into equation number 4. If you do this one, we can solve that one very easily. So see, 7 into equation number 3. 7 into 7 5s are 35a. 35a minus 7 2s are 14b, 14b is equal to 7 1s are 7 minus 7 minus 7. This is one equation, and one more 2 into equation number 4, 2 into 15, 2 15s are 30, 30a plus 2 into 7, 2 7s are 14, 14b is equal to 2 10s are 20, 2 10s are 20. So what we have to do over here? We have to add it. For adding this one, here plus 14b minus 14b is cancellation over here. So 35a plus 30a, what we are getting over here? 65a is equal to, here 20 is having plus symbol, 7 is having minus symbol, 1 plus 1 minus symbol means according to this situation we have to do subtraction. 20 minus 7, what we are getting over here? 20 minus 7, 13 we are getting. So here this one 65a is equal to 13, I am going to write a is equal to 13 by 65. This 65 I am going to take over here. So between 65 and a into symbol is there, it will be division. So after that 13 1s are 13, 13 5s are 65. It implies a is equal to what we got here? 1 by 5 we got. After getting the value a is equal to 1 by 5, substitute this a value in equation number 3 or 4. Wherever you substitute, you can get the b value. So now that a value I am going to substitute in equation number 4. Substitute a is equal to 1 by 5 in equation number 4. What is equation number 4 over here? 15a. 15 into a value 1 by 5 plus 7b is equal to, what is there over here? 10 is there. 10 I am writing. So 5 1s are, 5 3s are. Cancellation over here. 3 1s are 3 plus 7b is equal to 10. 3 is taken on this side. What will happen? 7b is equal to 10. This 3 is taken on this side. What will happen? Minus 3. 7b is equal to 10 minus 3, how much? 7. 7 is taken on this side. What will happen? So b is equal to 7 by 7. 7 by 7 will get one answer. This implies b is equal to 1. So the value of a is 1 by 5 and the value of b is 1. After getting these a and b values, what should we do? We have to substitute these a and b values in 1 by x plus y is equal to a and 1 by x minus y is equal to b. Now you observe. Substitute a is equal to 1 by 5 and b is equal to 1 in 1 by x plus y is equal to a and 1 by x minus y is equal to b. Now you observe, instead of a I am going to write 1 by 5. This implies 1 by x plus y is equal to a value is what here? 1 by 5. Between two fractions equal to symbol means what should we do? Cross multiplication we have to do. Here only I am going to do over here. X plus y into 1. X plus y is equal to 5 into 1. 5. This is equation number, already 4 equations over here. Now I am going to take equation number 5. So next hash mark 1 by x minus y is equal to instead of b, what I am going to take? 1 I am going to take. This implies 1 into x minus y. This is I am going to do cross multiplication. X minus y into 1. X minus y is equal to 1 I am writing. This is equation number 6. After getting equation number 5 and equation number 6, we have to solve again. Now, once you observe equation number 5 and equation number 6, here y is having plus symbol, here y is having minus symbol. 1 plus 1 minus symbol means we can add directly. Add equation number 5 and 6. Add equation number 5 and equation number 6. When we are adding this one, x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. So plus y minus y gets a cancellation. X plus x, what will happen? 2x is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. So after getting this one I am going to write x is equal to this 2. If I take this side, it will be division. 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are. What will happen? X is equal to 3 we will get. What we will get? 3 we will get. After getting the value x, substitute that value in equation number 5 or 6. So this x is equal to 3, I am going to substitute in equation number 5. Substitute x is equal to 3 in equation number 5. Why am I substituting in equation number 5? For getting the value y. Now x value is what over here? 3. 3 plus y is equal to 5. 3 is taken on this side. What will happen? Is implies y is equal to 5 minus 3. What will happen? 5 minus 3 value is what? Y is equal to 2. So the value of x is equal to 3. The value of y is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. If you solve the given linear equations, what we are getting here? X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So, up to 5th hour, one more sum is there as a class work. Now, I am going to explain question number 7.